Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So I've got some old turkey, like most of us in the world have. Over-ordered, didn't we? Overdone it. So I've got loads of turkey left over. So I'm going to make a little sandwich here, a little ciabatta with some pickles and stuff like that, and mayo, cheese, delicious. So in the centre there, I've got like 1 cup of the turkey, leftover turkey from Thanksgiving or from Christmas. I've chopped it really quite small. You can cut it a bit bigger if you want. 1 tomato, again cut small. Here I've got some pickled jalapenos. They're quite spicy. You can get different types, but this is quite a hot one. About a tablespoon of onion, 2 tablespoons of a nice pickle. Again, everything lovely and small. And then some mayo. I've got 2 tablespoons of mayo there. Beautiful. So mixing bowl. There's our turkey. And by the way, you could be using this with chicken if you want. Tablespoon of onion, a couple of tablespoons of a nice crunchy pickle there. 1 tomato cut nice and small. The jalapeno, maybe a tablespoon. I'm going to add black pepper, nice big pinch. I'm not adding salt personally. I think the mayo is going to be salty enough for me. So in it goes. And again, I don't want this swimming around in mayonnaise really. But a little mix, see in a minute. So I'm going to be using some ciabatta for this. You can use anything you like, you know, a roll, some sliced bread, just up to you. That's what I'm going with there. Cut that open. So I've just put a nice layer of our mayo mix there. Simply, what's next? Going to add a little bit of cheese on the top. We're nearly done. So I'm using some cheddar. It's a mild cheddar actually. Use a different type of cheese if you want. Just grated. On it goes. We're ready to get it into the little grill. So I've stuck the lids on that, so it's ready to go. And you might be able to see, I've just drizzled that with a little bit of olive oil. So I've got one of these kind of, you know, grills here. A George Foreman-y type of affair. This one actually is a Black & Decker, not a George Foreman, but you know what I mean. So I'm getting that on full heat, maximum heat. Going to let that heat up. We're going to pop our panini in. Okay, let's have a look, shall we? That's been about 5 or 6 minutes. That'll do me. That looks gorgeous. Okay, and there you go. That is beautiful. That is simple. And we've used up some old turkey, haven't we? Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.